Hi guys! Good morning and thank you for watching Coffee Break with Juni. And today guys, nasa pangatlong video na po tayo na pinag-uusapan po natin ay yung mga tips and reminders to all Filipinos who wanted to travel for the first time. So this time guys, yung topic na pag-uusapan natin is ito yung pinaka-aantayin ng lahat, okay? Facing the Philippine immigration officers. Okay? So sa mga nagkakape dyan, kapi-kapi tayo. Today is my day off, kaya marami akong pwedeng gawin today. Kape! Okay, so finally nandun na tayo sa stage of you have to go to the airport para po masalang ka sa Philippine immigration officers natin. So my tips guys and reminders to all of you is that to make sure na all of your documents, okay, or your papers are ready bago po kayo pumunta doon. Okay? So in short, double check nyo yung passport nyo, double check nyo yung mga documents nyo, and prepare yung mga alam mong possible documents na kailangang hingin sa'yo ng Philippine immigration officers natin. So, all your documents should be in your hand carry lang guys, para if in case na may mga hiningi pa silang iba na meron ka naman, eh madali mo lang makuha. Kasi baka mamaya nasa luggage mo, eh malaking problema yon. Okay? So, guys, sa totoo lang po, the reason why meron pa tayong Philippine immigration officers is of course to filter yung documents mo, yung legality ng alis mo, yung validity ng alis mo, para po for your own protection. Yun naman talaga yung reason nun eh. Wala nang iba. Okay, they wanted to make sure na legal yung pag-alis mo, na hindi mapariwara ang buhay mo papunta sa country na pupuntahan mo. They wanted to make sure na, of course, na kung saan ka man papunta, eh, you have provided yung correct documents na kailangan nila. And I think naman, and I believe na lahat naman ng mga requirements na kailangan nila sa'yo is really important para sa travel mo na yan. Hindi naman yan ano lang eh, hiningi lang for the sake of may maibigay lang na documents. But of course, example, kailangan nila ng hotel accommodation mo because they wanted to know and make sure na talaga may matitirhan ka pagdating sa country na yon. Okay? Of course, pupunta ka doon, tapos saan ka titira? Diba? So, if they cannot guarantee na may matitirhan ka doon, konsensya yun, of course, ng Philippine immigration officers natin na tika, pinayagan ko siyang umalis, wala naman siyang pupuntahan doon. So, alam mo yun, we have to think on a good side, okay, of yung responsibilities ng mga Philippine immigration officers natin. Okay? So, basically, ang kailangan nyo po, for tourists, you need to show, of course, and present your passport, your hotel accommodations, your certifications, okay, if you have employment, and yung other document nung sponsor mo o yung tao na pupuntahan mo sa country of your destination. Okay? But then, to those who are with travel history na, hindi na masyado kailangan yun kasi parang, alam mo yun, nakapasa ka na dati. Okay? So, just need to show yung passport mo tsaka yung tawag nito, I think just passport is just fine, diba? Tsaka any valid ID is already okay. Doon sa mga may experience. But then, ang pinag-uusapan kasi natin today is yung mga first timer eh. Actually today guys, I'm actually a little sad because before I shoot this video, eh, may mga conversations po ako with some of my followers na na-upload, and it's really sad to know na alam mo yung tipong they almost become my friends. na we shared life na eh. Yung tipong nag-share siya ng buhay niya sa akin. I shared about what I'm doing here in Dubai. Yung mga dreams na meron siya. And unfortunately, when he faced the Philippine immigration officers, he's not qualified. And all of his dreams is just ended that way. Okay? Na alam ko kasi yung mga personal dreams niya, not only just for himself, but also for his family. Doon ako na lungkot sa idea na yun is because, you know, nakakatuwa kasi sa mga Pilipino na we are more concerned about our parents. Diba na gagawin ko to kuya kahit malayo, kahit ako lang mag-isa, kahit ano pang problema ang harapin ko dyan, kahit gaano pa kahirap ang buhay dyan, I'm ready to do it for my father and for my mother. Kasi gusto ko silang bigyan ng mas magandang buhay. And just because of na-offload siya, alam mo yung hope na wala. And I'm not actually okay about it. Because I also dream of dreaming of the same thing na ginawa niya. O kung mga whatever plans he has. But unfortunately, nandito ako sa abroad. Pero siya, wala pa. And I think now he already gave up his Dubai dream. So, malungkot. I don't know if how our government can address, alam mo yun, yung need ng mga Filipinos na of course kailangan nila ng magandang trabaho. Ang baba nung employment rate kasi sa Pilipinas, kaya yung iba talaga napipilitan mag-ibang bansa sa kahit anong paraan, na they are willing to risk everything for the sake na mas makahanap sila ng mas matinong trabaho, mas malaking sahod, salary that is enough to sustain yung family's needs nila at the same time to fulfill yung maliliit na pangarap ng pamilya niya. And offloading is actually one of the hardest part sa isang Pilipino nangangarap ng maganda para sa pamilya niya. But then, because of the reality na hindi siya pwede, because of the reality na hindi siya nakapasa, parang ganun-ganun na lang. At alam ko kung gaano kasakit yun. And that's actually the reason why I'm here, trying to help yung mga Filipinos na nabigyan ng idea kung paano yung mga paraan para makaalis ng bansa. But anyway guys, sorry pa sa drama, but I just like to share that. And yun, anyway, I wish all of you guys na nangangarap pong makapag-travel sa abroad o magtrabaho sa abroad, there are always a right way para po makamit yung mga pangarap nyo na yan, okay? If you think that your profile is not really okay for you to travel, yes, tourist visa or visit visa, try to apply guys in all employment agencies in the Philippines. Okay? Lalo na yung hindi ka ready na masayang yung pera mo, better po take the normal way. Yun yung employment visa. Okay? So good luck po sa inyong lahat guys, and I wish everyone a good day, a great day today. Enjoy your day guys, and still try to be positive and motivate yourself. Now you can still do better, okay, for whoever you are right now. Yan lang po. Bye! God bless!